Welcome back to FaceItNet. In this video, I'm going to show you an interesting task. We may have an iPhone, we may have a Windows computer, or we may have an iPhone and a Mac computer. So you might be wondering, how do I do the screen mirroring of my iPhone to my Mac computer? So you got an AirPlay. You can just scroll down your iPhone screen and tap the mirroring, and it can just go and directly connect to your screen. But what if you got a Windows computer and an iPhone and you still want to do a screen mirroring? To do that, we have an interesting software. The software name is called AirPlay Screen Mirroring Receiver. So what you have to do is go to your Microsoft Store. So you just type Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store. Once you open the Microsoft Store, just search AirPlay Receiver. So when you search, you can see that it got a AirPlay Screen Mirroring Receiver. Just click Install. So it's just downloading the tool, and it's going to install once it downloaded. And it's only a 17 MB, a small tool, right? So it's completed. Just click open. When you click open, you can see it comes with the default your desktop name. I'm just going to rename it so that it looks nice on my screen, on my iPhone screen. So it's desktop tab. So yes, you can see it got reset. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my iPhone and I'm going to swap my screen from top to bottom. When I do swapping, I can see the mirror option. I'll tap on the mirror and I'll see FaceItNet desktop. You're not going to see that because I did that on my mobile phone, but now you can see here, see? You can see my FaceItNet desktop on my screen mirroring. Right, I tap it, go back there, and you can see that's my iPhone screen. So what technically I've done, I swapped the screen from top to bottom, so you can see, and then I tap on this mirroring button and I got that name. So once you tap it, you are in the screen. That's it. So now your iPhone is mirrored to your Windows computer. It's a very interesting tool, and it's a free tool. You don't need to go install a lot of third-party tools and all. This comes from Microsoft Store. So it's a pretty good tool. If you want to do this, here we go. This is the way to do it. Thanks for watching.